Hello, how are you? All my dear student, I am fine. I hope you are well. All my student, very thanks. Subscribe my channels, watch my videos, like and shares. And so very thanks. Any assignment is no difficult. This is very easy. All guys should try to understand each and every point I make. Today is my assignment title. Start now. Exp22 Excel chapter number 5, mid-level 2 apartment. Today is my assignment title. Project descriptions. If you need any kind of assignment, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Mathematics, Grader, Assess and other act, weekly course, weekly exam, you contact me WhatsApps and email. Okay, start now. Point number 1. Excel start. Download, open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter number 5 mid-level 2 apartment. Mid-level 2 apartment. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. All students, you first downloading file. This is file. I already downloading this file. I go back this. Point number 2. Select the summary sheets. Sort the data by the apartment complex in the alphabetical orders and future sort it by the hash bed, the number of bedrooms from the smallest of to largest. It's okay, all my dear students. I go to the log sheets. Summary log sheets. Open. Sort the data by the apartment complex in the alphabetical orders. And the sort is by the hash bed. Sort by the hash beds. It's okay. Sort filters. Custom sorts. Sort filters. Custom bags. Custom sorts. It's okay. Apartment complex and future sort it by hash bed. So hash beds, add labels. I adding hash bed. It's okay. All my dear students, point number 2 is finally completed. Point number 3. This is assignment is very easy. Use the subtotal feature. Insert subtotal row by the apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Add the second subtotal with removing the first subtotal by the hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of the bedrooms. Use the subtotal feature. Insert subtotal row by the apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Total deposit. It's okay, dear students. Subtotal option. This is open. You first apartments and the average. It's okay. Second option, open the average. It's okay, dear students. And click this total deposit. It's okay. Total deposit, click okay. I back this, and second add the second subtotal with removing the first subtotal by hashbed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. Okay. Subtotals. Select bed. Moving. It's okay. Dear student, point number 3 is finally complete. Point number 4, I color change. Use the outline symbol to display only the two level of subtotal row. Create automatically outlines and pass to the outline above. Use the outline symbol disable on the two level of subtotal row. Okay. Start now. Point number 3, auto outline. That's okay. Dear student, point number 4 is finally complete. Point number 5. Display the rental sheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rental sheets. Display rental sheets and create blank pivot on the third worksheet. It's okay. Pivot tables. Pivot tables. completely. Change the name of the worksheet to rental review. This worksheet name change rental revenue. Name the pivot tables rental revenue. I copy this. It's okay. Pivot table name change. I back this. Point number 5 is finally complete. Point number 6, sorry. Point number 6, display the apartment complex and bed and hash bed field in a row and the rental price field as the value. Row apartment complex and hash bed field in row. Apartment and bed. I added row apartment complex and bed, and second the rental price field as values. Rental price field as values. It's okay. Point number 6 is complete, and point number 7 I already color change. Format the sum of rental price of counting numbers. Format with 0 domicile places and enter the custom names. Total rent collected. Total rent collected. Format the sum of rental price for accounting number. Format 0. It's okay. 0. Format is sum of rental price accounting numbers. Format with 0 document places. Decimal places. Total rent collected. Custom name. It's okay. I change this. Custom name change. Paste. Okay. Point number 7 is complete. Point number 8. Select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartments. Select the it's okay. I select this. So occupied, it's okay. Occupied is select the occupied apartments, it's okay. Filter to yes, occupied apartment, it's okay. All my dear student, point number 8 is complete. No issue, this is very easy and all very guys, thanks for watching my videos.